SLT. Bitches mad at me cause I don't never give a damn. I done moved up, bitch, I ain't coming for a gram. Nigga, put it on your life, you ain't scared to lose your life. Almost died a couple times, but I never think twice. Came straight from the south, so I never like ice. I don't fuck no love, so I never want a wife. I don't got no hoes tryna fuck on Ruby. Rose to the cup, and they ain't even tryna hold me. Oh, bitch, we going crazy. I ain't tryna die, but I'm going kamikaze. Suicidal thoughts got me feeling like a biggie. I don't wanna go to hell, fuck the devil, he can see. Excommunicated, even though I pray to God. I don't got no religion, mama think it's kinda odd. I be laughing at these niggas who be flexing all these rides like ha 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 ha. Bitch, turned 18, had to get a couple sticks. Move too small, so I never be lit. Cut a nigga up, SLT slit. What you know about that? Nigga, not shit. I need a bad bitch who ain't gon' stress shit. So when I'm on the game, don't blow my shit. I don't got a lot of time tryna spend it with a dime. Even when I'm with an 8, I'm like, damn, I'm fine. I be breaking all the quarters in them cold like Minnesota. I ain't never been a bitch walking around in Carolina. Niggas acting real tough, talk around, but they be lying. Hoes talking big shit, walls tight like China. 97 on my feet, but I'm white 2K. Bitch, I'm living real life, not fake 2K. Shoot a nigga one time, goddamn good day, and I passed off the E-man, got hoes on the way, huh?
I'm hitting bitches that you beat to. I'm getting bitches that want Pikachu. I just popped me a perk, I'm finna put her ass to work, and I don't even gotta take her on an interview. Yeah, girl, I'm kinda into you. You got a couple niggas missing you. To be them same niggas dissing me. I'm flipping packs, making shit.